Next case number 4. Prove that tangents drawn at the end of a diameter. So first of all we draw one circle. After that one diameter. These two end of this diameter we drawn two tangents. Okay. So tangents drawn at end of this diameter are parallel. These two tangents are parallel. We have to prove. PQ and RS are parallel. That we have to prove here. So I draw the figure accordingly. Next we can start the proof. Let AB, this is the diameter, AB be the diameter of the circle. Two tangents PQ and RS are the tangents drawn at end points of the diameter AB. Okay. So we can start here. Radius drawn to these tangents will be perpendicular to tangents, correct? That means if we are taking OA, this is the radius and it is meeting this tangent, correct? So we can write OA is perpendicular to this tangent RS. So I am writing OA is perpendicular to RS. Just like next radius OB. OB is perpendicular to which tangent? PQ. So I written the same statement. So we can write here angle OAR. This angle is equal to 90 degree. Angle OBP. This angle is equal to 90 degree. Angle OAS. This is equal to 90 degree. Angle OBQ. This is equal to 90 degree because this is perpendicular to this one. So it is making here 290 degrees. This line is perpendicular to OB. So here it is making 290 degrees. Correct? So I am writing separate angles. Angle OAR is equal to 90 degree. Next angle OAS is equal to 90 degree. Angle OBP is equal to 90 degree and angle OBQ is equal to 90 degree. So I written all these four angles are 90 degree. Okay. So we can write here. It can be observed that angle OAR is equal to angle OBQ. Which is OAR? The angle OAR. This is equal to angle OBQ. This one. If we are taking these two lines, this angle and this angle are alternating interior angles, correct? And we got both are 90 degrees. So I am equating the alternating interior angles. Angle OAR is equal to OBQ. So I am writing here angle OAR is equal to angle OBQ. What is the reason? Alternating interior angles. Okay. And from here we can write angle OAR 90 degree, OBQ 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. So we can equate these two angles. OAR is equal to OBQ. And from the figure we can observe that these two angles are alternating interior angles. Next we can equate OAS. This angle is equal to this angle OBP. I am writing angle OAS is equal to angle OBP. What is the reason? These two angles are also alternating interior angles. So, if alternating interior angles are equal, then we can say that line PQ and RS will be parallel because its alternating interior angles are equal, correct? So, you know the property of parallel lines. What is that? If alternating angles are equal, then we can say that the given lines are parallel. So, now we proved the alternating interior angles are equal. So we can write since alternating interior angles are equal, then we can write here line, which are the lines PQ and RS are parallel because line PQ is parallel to line RS. This one we have to prove. These two tangents are parallel, correct? So the proof is over. This one we have to prove here.